If you are studying the pharmacy, there are pharmacy acts and they are famous acts. You have to remember their years also. And if you want to remember this in an interesting way, this is one simple but interesting method. We will convert this year into something interesting, memorable things. So first we will see that actually what happened at that particular years. Like in 1930, it was the Dandi March, famous march started by Mahatma Gandhi. 1940, the first helicopter was successfully invented. In 1948, the transistor were invented, which leads to development of the computers and phones and many devices. In 1948, this happened. In 1954, the first successful kidney transplant took place. In 1955, the Disneyland was opened, the cartoon characters. In 1970, first Boeing 747 was commercialized. And in 1985, the wreckage of Titanic was found. So these are the years interesting thing happened at that time. Now we will add this acts here. We can correlate stuffs. So we will first prepare a story. Stories like this. The Gandhiji started Dandi March to inquire related to tax, salt tax. So inquiry. So it is 1930 inquiry. So 1930 drug inquiry committee. Dandi March. Okay. Then second stuff is that some people decided to go to Dandi March by helicopter. 1940 helicopter. And when they decided, because here is drug and cosmetic act, we will consider that here that they gone with some drugs and cosmetics because they felt that people they required these kind of size things, drugs and cosmetics. So they gone with the kits of drugs and cosmetics. So 1940 Drugs and Cosmetic Act. Then uh, when they were going, they didn't go just with the drugs and cosmetics, but they took mobile phones also. Mobile phones, because obviously at the time mobile phones were not there, but we have to imagine this 1948. So 1948 Pharmacy Act. So what they were having in the mobile phone and app, State Pharmacy Council Act or PCI's app. So Pharmacy Act. The Pharmacy Act 1948. Then they gone there and they successfully carried out the kidney transplant of some people. So kidney transplant happened in 1954 and it is a kind of magical thing happening. So Drug and Magic Remedies Act 1954, kidney transplant. And what they did is that they could able to do the transplant also and could able to remove the kidney stones also, a lot of kidney stones. So they made a cartoon character of some of the kidney stones just for the fun. And this is happened in 1955 Disney characters. So 1955 it is the act, the Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act, which is related with excise duty, and it is mostly related with the alcohol. As we know that the cartoon character move here and there, like they have drunk on the alcohol. So we can correlate this 1955 Disneyland cartoon character drunk characters with the alcohol preparations tax excise duty act 1955. Then some of the kidney stones what they extracted people, they decided to send by Boeing, that is commercialized in 1970. So 1970, for the sake of uh, to purchase to decide which drug should be used for the problems. Yes. So drug, and because Boeing is very costly, so they did not think of price control or price related anything. So drug price control order in 1970, we can correlate. And then when the Boeing was going, it failed. It crashed in the sea, and it crashed exactly near to the wreckage of the Titanic. So that was found in 1985, and in 1985 the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. So we can correlate this stuff like this, that it was found, and when they started to investigate, they found the wreckage of Titanic. In the Titanic, a lot of narcotics was found. So narcotics and psychotropics, 1985. So we can make a story, and the story is related with the years, and then we can correlate this with the acts and some keywords, and this way we can remember different pharmacy acts.